Navya Markets Limited. This is our latest webinar on Funda Tech stocks. That is the stocks picked based on both fundamentals and technicals. First is Coden's Retail Private Limited. This comes under the textile sector. Let us see first why we choose the stock. As the Indian economy is recovering at a faster pace from the financial crisis of 2008, the retail sector is expected to grow at a CAGR of 10%. And importantly, the apparel industry is expected to grow at a CAGR of 12 to 15% in the coming years, and is expected to lead the organized retailing in India. And also factors like the demographic trends, that is, the majority of the population falling in the age limit of 25 to 30, and also the rising income levels of the middle class population of India. These kind of factors are letting the population to be more inclined towards the branded retailing, branded products, and also they're also making them turn quality conscious. So due to these factors, we expect retail and most importantly apparel industry to expand a lot in the coming years. In this scenario, we picked Coden's Retail from the apparel sector because it is one of the leading integrated and apparel manufacturing and retail company in India, with its brands positioned to cater to the mid and high fashion segments. It has 1388 exclusive brand outlets and 230 family stores in India. The sales of the company has grown at a CAGR of 38%, and also the profits grew at a CAGR of 33% over the past 3 years. This is very huge rise in its growth over the past few years. And also it has recently ventured into segments like family store and women and kids wear, which are high margin segments, and these segments are expected to contribute to its bottom line significantly over the coming future. If you see the valuations, the stock is presently trading at a PE of 14 times, which is lesser than the industry average. And also recently, considering its increased focus on tier 2 and tier 3 cities, and also into high margin businesses like family store and women and kids wear, as explained earlier, we expect the stock to the company to grow at a higher pace in the coming future, and also the forward EPS is expected to be very low. So based on these factors, we feel the valuations are also low and the growth prospects are also high. So we recommend this stock to buy this stock at these levels with strong upside visibility. Coming to the technical view, the technical side also shows is positive on this stock. If you see, the Coden's Retail didn't really participate in the 2009 rally. So because of this, even the downside risk is expected to be limited for this stock, going forward. If you see the levels, above 380 is a very good buying opportunity in this stock, and also the target turns out to be, first target turns out to be 490, and then the second target turns out to be 540. So yes, both fundamentals and technicals are showing positive bias on the stock. We expect we recommend this stock with high conviction. Thank you.